Nashville, Tennessee is situated in the heart of the southeastern United States, along the banks of the Cumberland River. Known for its rolling hills and vibrant cityscape, Nashville serves as a central hub within the region. The city experiences a humid subtropical climate, with hot, humid summers and mild to cool winters. Spring and fall bring pleasant temperatures and colorful scenery, making these seasons particularly enjoyable. Throughout the year, Nashville's weather patterns contribute to its lively atmosphere and appeal for both residents and visitors. Nashville was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River, originally serving as a strategic frontier settlement. Over the years, its central location helped it grow into a vital transportation and trade center. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Nashville had established itself as a hub for education and publishing. The city's musical legacy began to flourish with the rise of the Grand Ole Opry in the 1920s, cementing its reputation as the heart of country music. Today, Nashville is a world-famous center for culture and the true heart of the music industry. Nashville is renowned worldwide for its vibrant music scene, earning the nickname Music City. As the heart of country music, the city has nurtured countless legendary artists and continues to inspire new talent. Iconic venues like the Grand Ole Opry and Ryman Auditorium stand as pillars of Nashville's musical heritage, hosting unforgettable performances and drawing fans from around the globe. Beyond country, the city's lively bars and clubs offer a diverse range of genres, making Nashville a dynamic destination for music lovers of all kinds. Nashville offers a variety of must-see attractions for visitors. The Country Music Hall of Fame stands as a tribute to the city's rich musical heritage, featuring exhibits that celebrate legendary artists and the evolution of country music. The Parthenon, a full-scale replica of the ancient Greek landmark, showcases impressive architecture and houses an art museum. For fans of the Man in Black, the Johnny Cash Museum provides an in-depth look at the life and career of this iconic musician, displaying memorabilia and personal artifacts. Together, these sites capture the unique spirit and cultural history of Nashville. Nashville offers a variety of outdoor activities and picturesque locations to enjoy. Take a leisurely stroll or bike ride through Centennial Park, where you can admire the iconic Parthenon replica and lush green spaces. Walking along the Cumberland River provides scenic views of the city skyline and peaceful waterfront trails. For those who appreciate horticulture, local gardens like Cheekwood Estate Gardens showcase beautiful landscapes and seasonal blooms. These destinations offer a perfect blend of relaxation and natural beauty for visitors and residents alike. Nashville is renowned for its vibrant and diverse culinary scene, offering a blend of traditional flavors and innovative cuisine. Visitors can savor iconic dishes such as spicy hot chicken, a local favorite known for its fiery kick. The city also boasts mouth-watering barbecue, with tender meats slow-cooked to perfection. Southern comfort food is a staple here, featuring classics like creamy macaroni and cheese, fluffy biscuits, and savory collard greens. Exploring Nashville's food scene promises a delicious journey through the heart of Southern hospitality. Nashville is home to several vibrant neighborhoods known for their dining and entertainment scenes. Broadway stands out with its lively honky tonks and bustling nightlife, offering a classic taste of the city's musical heritage. East Nashville is celebrated for its eclectic mix of trendy restaurants, coffee shops, and local music venues, attracting both locals and visitors. The Gulch, a modern and upscale district, features chic eateries, stylish bars, and unique boutiques, making it a hotspot for those seeking a contemporary urban experience. Navigating Nashville is relatively straightforward, thanks to a variety of transportation options. Visitors can take advantage of the city's public bus system, WeGo, which covers many popular attractions and neighborhoods. Rideshare services like Uber and Lyft are widely available and convenient for getting around quickly. For those who prefer to explore at their own pace, bike and scooter rentals offer a flexible way to see the city. It's also a good idea to plan ahead for parking, especially in busy downtown areas, as spaces can fill up quickly during peak times. Nashville's calendar is filled with vibrant events and festivals that showcase the city's unique spirit throughout the year. From the lively sounds of the CMA Music Festival in the summer to the festive lights of the Holiday Harmony celebration in winter, there's always something to experience. Spring brings the Nashville Cherry Blossom Festival, while autumn features the Tennessee State Fair and Oktoberfest. No matter when you visit, you'll find the city buzzing with energy and excitement. Embracing these seasonal gatherings is one of the best ways to truly connect with Nashville's lively atmosphere. Nashville is more than just a city. It's an experience that stays with you. From its green parks to its neon streets, Music City never misses a beat. Thanks for watching. If you loved this trip to Tennessee, please like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite city in the comments. See you in the next video, and safe travels!